in this video, we are going to export our design out of our software. And after making your final changes to your design, you can always move over to File and use the export option to first export a quick PNG. So just click on this, and maybe you want to just view your image on your phone. You can just use this method. Just find where you are going to save it. Just save it somewhere. Let me call this 3-day revival. Now, if you're going to deliver this to a client, it is good you also highlight the format at the start of the title. So this is the PNG. Click on that and just save. Now you can also go back to File and use the export method, export as, and I want us to export a JPEG. We just want to go through all the formats, just use a JPEG. So click here, select this as JPEG. Now the JPEG specifically is good for viewing, and it is not going to be in CMYK, which is the format for printing. So we can leave this on here, but it is good to inform the client that this one is only for viewing. So it is going to be converted to sRGB. Take it to the folder where we are saving. So this is JPEG, and this is 3-day revival, and press save and let it export. And our final format is the PDF. Use Ctrl, Alt, and S on your keyboard to just open up this page. Locate your folder again and add this term at the start. So this is a PDF. Let me remove that. Move over to your formats and find Photoshop PDF. Then press save. Once you press save, you're going to get this. Press OK here, and then you can always use this high quality preset and save this as a PDF. And then let's go back to that folder. And here we have our 3 formats. Let me just switch this. So we have those 3 formats here. Make sure if you're delivering this to your client, inform them that these 2 are mostly for viewing. If they are going to deliver this maybe to social media or maybe put it on their WhatsApp status, they can always use the JPEG. The PDF is mostly for print. And here is our design. So this can go to print from here. I will see you in the next module.